that. And this is part 4 how to make it. So on the part 4, you're gonna use something. So on the part 4, we're gonna do the costumes of FunBot and Clukr. So in the part 3 and the part 2, they got popular and popular because why? Because they were a long video. So on the part 4, it's not gonna be a long video. Don't worry. It's not gonna be a long video. Let's just delete these guys. Let's delete that too. Maybe can work. Maybe. Okay. So we did this. See? You can drag them. And let's do the height, the sprite. Maybe that can work. Maybe we just doing that. Maybe we're just gonna do a one flag click to show. One flag click to show. One flag click hide. No. Then we put this right here. Then it'll work. No. So first, what we have to do is go to here. Then, so first we're gonna make Clukr. So we're gonna make this. So we don't need an outline, we just use a fill. We do it like this. We pull it like this. Then we put it like this. Then we do it like this. Can be like this. So we're gonna copy and paste. Duplicate. So we're gonna do this, copy and paste. copy and paste. Now we made our Clukr. Now let's start coding. So we're gonna let's do switch costume to costume 1. Then wait 0.1 seconds. Switch costume. Oh wait, we need to set it to. So switch costume to costume 4. Then wait 0.1 seconds. Wait, do you know this? We're not gonna set the A in this. So we go to here. Then switch costume to costume 5. Then wait 0.1 seconds. Then we switch costume to costume 6. Then wait 0.1 seconds. Let's see if it worked. Yeah, it worked, you see? It worked, you see? It worked. So then we do switch costume to costume 7. Wait 0.1 seconds. 0.1 seconds. And save. And it worked, you see. Now switch costume to costume 8. Wait 0.1 seconds. Let's see if that worked now. Oh yeah, it worked, you see. Okay. So there's Clukr. Now we're gonna do the code of Clukr. So, one flag clicked, then broadcastive image tree hope. Then when I receive tree hope, then broadcastive image for hope. And let's make a new block. But wait, we need to set the loop. So we put this and then we need to set this loop. Then we put it right here. And we have it, see? Then we put it right there. And duplicate. Then we put it right there. Now let's set a new block called loop deep. So we have a loop deep. Then we put the loop deep. We put another loop deep right there. Now let's go up to the block. So we're gonna do a, let's make a variable. I'll call it loop. As well, you name it loop. And we set it to loop 2. So we got these. And so we're gonna make 3 variables. Then loop 1. So we made 3 variables, 3 of them. So then we set loop to 0. Then we set loop 1 to 200. Then set loop 2 to 100. So gonna save project. Then we go to motions. And let's set the X position and the Y position. to put the X position and the Y position because that's their positions. Then duplicate, and we're not gonna set this. We're gonna set this Y right there. And this one, it's gonna be 1, and actually no, this one it's gonna be 2, and this one it's gonna be 1. So then we need to put the loop deep right there. And yeah, let's put the forever loop. And let's put the if else. Then we put the and right there. Then we put another if else. Then we set the not. Then put a if. Now we're gonna put this right here because the block is there. And we're gonna put the loop right there next to the loop deep. And we put the actually no, we put the got it. Oh, wait a second. Then we need to do now we're gonna do FunBot costumes. So this is not gonna be a long video, don't worry guys. This is not gonna be a long video. This is only gonna happen what's next. Okay? So set it to 51. And this is 51. 10. I think that's 53. So use this. Make it to 53. So we gotta save. Then we're gonna delete that and make a space flip. then duplicating, then we're gonna reshape it. Maybe flip. Then we're gonna do that. Now let's start coding. So we go to code, then switch costume. To costume tree. And wait 0.1 seconds. Let's see if it worked. And yeah, it worked. You see, it beat FunBot now. The part and switch costume to costume 9. Wait 0.1 seconds. Let's see if it worked. Yeah, it worked, and you see that. Switch costume to costume 10. And wait 0.1 seconds. Let's see if then switch costume 11. Then we're gonna wait 0.1 seconds. Now let's see if that works. Then switch costume to costume 12. Wait 0.1 seconds. Let's see if that worked. Okay, switch costume to costume 13. Wait 0.1 seconds. Let's see if that works. And switch costume to 14. Wait 0.1 0.1 seconds. Let's see if that works. Maybe it can be 0.5 seconds. Can be 0.5 seconds. It can be 0.5 seconds. And 0.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds. Let's see if that worked. Oh, that's too slow. Maybe 0.2 seconds. Can be 0.2 seconds. 0.2 seconds. 0.2 seconds. 0.2 seconds. Let's see if that's so we have that, remember? Now we're gonna do the